Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. And of course, this is the daily close or the weekly close, I would say, for Bitcoin, knowing that it never closes. But yeah, it's the end of the week. We'll see, of course, what we might expect. So in the daily today, I mentioned, are we going to take the 78K? And here we are. So our testing area here was very close, and we start, of course, to push for higher before hitting the testing area. The second one, anyway, we were following the WXNY here as a correction, and it is perfectly unfolding here as an impulse after it. As we can see on the 15-minute chart, we can see, of course, a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 are unfolding toward the upside. This correction W in a zigzag wave X, and of course a zigzag in a wave Y. So wave 1 finished, of course, as an impulse or wave A. Don't forget, we still might be corrective here. Now the key levels are very essential to follow them. Of course, confirmation for higher here is taken. First key is check, so we can remove it. And the next key level here to watch is the invalidation of 112. That would be, of course, a favor if Bitcoin do it, because I'm very worried about this 112 here. In case, of course, we take it 74K 600, of course, the 112 will be eliminated. And that means we gonna keep it here as only one impulse, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is, of course, our yellow label here, meaning ABC very likely, or 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so it can still be wave 3, and then wave 4 can still unfold, of course, until the second key level, which is total invalidation of the bearish 87K. But of course, it's too early for that. We need to break first the 78K, breaking it, and then continuation toward the upside, meaning as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In case we are looking at an impulse here, and this impulse might, of course, lead us to a wave B in a, let's say, in the daily here, in a regular flat, meaning this one. Yeah. So wave A, then B, and a C to finish a wave B later on, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Toward the downside, that it might, of course, take the 52K, and finishing, of course, this potential bear market as expected in our, of course, technical support area here. Preferably to not break it even. It would be better taking the 0.38, which is the minimum requirement also. And of course, this will end up as a shallow wave 2, because we are in a wave 3 over 3, don't forget. So normally Bitcoin do that, as characteristic. We'll see, guys. So everything looks perfect as expected so far. We'll see, of course, what the price is going to do in the weekend. Is it going to continue impulsively? Now, definitely, of course, this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We're going to see a sideways. Wave 4 potentially even can be a little bit retracement. 4 and a 5. Now we gotta be careful once we take the high. We have to be careful, because when we take the high, the things start to be shaky, because you have the 0.618 uncommon target for a wave C. So which is the 72K. I'm gonna keep this here just as info in case, of course, we take the high, we take the uncommon target, and we push for lower again. That would be, of course, a bear market, still continuation toward the downside, but preferable at least to invalidate the 112. We'll see, guys. So this is an intraday. We're looking for a little bit of recovery here for the market. There is, of course, a chance to push even higher again impulsively, but we'll see step by step, of course, this scenario, if it's going to unfold for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.